FedEx, UPS, two of the biggest companies on the planet, and both of them are hiring remote workers right now in 2026. If you just did a double take, perfect, because that is exactly the energy of this video. 4 remote jobs, companies you already know and trust, and I'm breaking every single one of them down for you today. And I promise you, by the time we get to job 4, you are going to be running to that description to grab that link. So let's go and get into it. I need you to pay attention to this company because what they are doing genuinely matters. Spring Health's entire mission is to eliminate every barrier to mental health, not reduce barriers, eliminate them. They partner with over 450 companies. We're talking Microsoft, Target, Delta Airlines, to provide mental health services to employees across the country. Now, they've helped 10 million people, and they're sitting at $3.3 billion valuation. So this is a serious, well-funded company doing work that actually changes lives. And they are hiring a fully remote medical records coordinator. So let me go ahead and tell you what your actual day-to-day looks like in this role. Now, you'll be logging in, and your world is medical records. Patients are requesting their records be sent somewhere. Providers need authorization forms completed. People are filling for mental health leaves and need documentation. Now, you are the person who makes all of that happen correctly, completely, and on time. Now, every request has 24 to 48 hours turnaround window. So your day has a real rhythm to it. You come in, check your queue, work through it systematically, respond to emails, handle some inbound and outbound calls, and make sure every single document follows what? HIPAA guidelines, because this is mental health data. It's personal, it's sensitive, and protecting is pretty much a big deal. Now, you're also tracking your own weekly matrix, requesting, receiving, and following up on progress completed. You are your own accountability partner in this role, and they expect you to basically own this role. Now, shifts available for this opportunity are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard, and so on and plethora. Now, they do ask for flexibility to work 1 weekend a month and up to 4 holidays a year, so really just keep that in mind. Now, real talk. This is a temporary contract position, but there is a real opportunity for it to convert to a permanent full-time based on your performance. So if you bring your A game every day, this could actually be your way into a $3.3 billion mental health company. And that is a door worth walking through. Trust me when I tell you that. Now, this is going to be perfect for anyone who has at least 1 year of experience in medical records, healthcare admin, or a similar role, who knows HIPAA and is comfortable with medical terminology. If you worked at a clinic, hospital, insurance company, or any healthcare admin position, you are exactly who they're looking for. They also need you to be tech savvy and quick to adapt to new platforms because things move fast at Spring Health. Now, how you can actually stand out for this opportunity is they literally ask you in the application whether you've used Zendesk, TalkDesk, or Jira. So if you have experience with any of those, lead with it and be specific about your HIPAA and PHI experience. Don't just say, I understand HIPAA. Tell them exactly what you've done with it. That is actually going to get you an interview. Now, pay is $20.51 to $25.64 per hour. As a contract role, the benefits are limited, but the opportunity to go permanent at Spring Health is a real prize here. Show up, perform, and let the role convert. Now, that one was for my healthcare admin people ready to make a meaningful impact from home. Now let's talk about a company that literally moves the world's packages. FedEx just pulled up to the remote job party, and they didn't come empty-handed. So let's check that one out. FedEx Logistics, the purple and orange, the people who show up at your door with the package. Behind every international shipment that enters the United States, someone has to handle the customs paperwork to get it cleared. And that someone could be you working from home. Now, let's talk about what your day-to-day could actually look like in this role. You're processing import documentation for shipments coming into the U.S. from around the world. You're classifying goods, entering data, making sure everything complies with U.S. custom regulations and any other government agency requirements. Now, when a shipment hits a snag, you follow up and resolve it and keep it moving. So you're working with FedEx internal teams, with customers, and with government agencies all in a day's work. Now, here's what I really want to highlight. They offer paid training. So if customs is a new world for you, FedEx is willing to teach you. You bring the work ethic and attention to detail, they'll give you the knowledge. That is a huge deal, and not every company does that. Now, I do want to let you guys know that this is going to be a regular remote full-time opportunity. This is also that Monday through Friday role, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, fully remote. Now, if you're near any of these locations, Memphis, Miami, or Indianapolis, you can work for this opportunity, but also you can be anywhere in the U.S. to apply for this opportunity as well. I do believe if you are in any of these locations outside of the remote, this might be a hybrid type role. But if you are not, then it'll be fully remote. Now, honestly, this opportunity is going to be good for, let's see. If you have that high school diploma or GED, at least 6 months of work experience and data entry skills, that is the floor. If you have 12 months of industry experience in logistics, shipping, or trade, even better. And if you already know anything about tariff, schedules, or custom regulations, congratulations, you just skipped to the front of the line. You can stand out by any experience in international shipping, freight forwarding, or import or export documentation. Put it on your resume and talk about it. Also, make sure you highlight your ability to work with multiple systems and screens simultaneously. They called that out specifically. And honestly, the fact that FedEx provides paid training means you are good to go. Now, your cover letter should speak to your eagerness to learn. Show them that you are hungry for this. Now, the pay for this, as you might have saw earlier as I was scrolling, $13.60 to $21.57 per hour. The range is wide, and where you land depends on your experience. FedEx also offers health, vision, dental insurance, plus tuition reimbursement. So they are invested in your growth beyond just the paycheck. The FedEx name on your resume in logistics and trade role, that opens doors for years to come. Now, FedEx delivered, pun absolutely intended. Now, let's talk money, specifically commissions, because this next company is in the insurance space and they need someone sharp who can track down discrepancies, solve problems, and keep agents paid correctly. If you love digging into details and you've got some finance or insurance background, then this one is probably calling your name. Let's take a look at it. First Connect Insurance Services. This is a digital platform that connects independent insurance agencies with over 150 insurance carriers, home, auto, small business, you name it. They have thousands of active agents with hundreds more joining every single month. The growth is real and the opportunity is real, and they need a fully remote commission support specialist. So let me break down what this job actually feels like every day, because I think this is one of the more interesting opportunities than just the title it's on. Insurance agents earn commissions when they sell policies. Simple enough, right? Except commissions are complicated. Payments get missed, numbers don't add up, adjustments need to be made, and agents rightfully want to get paid correctly for every policy they sell, and I get that. So you are the person who makes that right. Your day involves answering calls and emails from agents asking about their commissions, investigating discrepancies when something doesn't add up, working directly with insurance carriers to get mission or incorrect payments resolved, and maintaining detailed records of every single adjustment and communication so there's always a clear audit trail. You are part customer service, part investigator, part finance coordinator, and you're doing all of that from home. Now, what I really like about this role is they want someone proactive, not just someone who waits for agents to call them with a problem, but someone who spots the issue before the phone even rings. That initiative is rare and they know it. If this sounds like you, they are absolutely looking for you. Trust me. Now, this is perfect for someone who's organized, detailed oriented, comfortable in Excel, and experienced with CRM tools. If you worked in insurance, finance, accounting, or any role where you were investigating and resolving payment issues, this role was written with you in mind. They ask about finance and accounting backgrounds in the application. So if that's your world, don't be shy about it. Now, SaaS or FinTech experience is a preferred qualifier here, and they say that. So if you have that, that is going to immediately set you apart from the crowd and speak to your ability to work independently and navigate. They specifically said the ideal candidate is a self-starter who thrives with minimum supervision. If you're the type of person who figures it out without waiting to be told, say that out loud in your cover letter. Now, the pay for this opportunity, as you can see, 60 to 70 a year plus equity. Compensation, you're getting a piece of the company as it grows. Full medical, dental, 401k, life insurance, flexibility, time off. Now, we've done mental health, we've done FedEx, and we've done insurance commissions. Now, let me bring out job 4. And this one is for my sales and account management professionals who want to work remotely for one of the most iconic companies in the world. UPS is hiring, so let's go ahead and talk about it. Here we are. UPS, United Postal Service, founded in 1907 by two teenagers with a $100 loan and basement in Seattle. I did not know that. Today, they operate in over 220 countries and territories with more than 500,000 employees worldwide. This company is a legend, and they are hiring a fully remote strategic account manager for their Mail Innovations division. Now, let me explain what Mail Innovations is first, because this is a tongue-tied, specific division within UPS that handles direct mail and lightweight packages for businesses that need to send high volumes of mail. Ooh, that was a lot. Think big corporations with massive mailing and marketing operations. Your job is to manage those big accounts and grow them. Now, here's what your day actually is going to look like. You're building and protecting strategic relationship with large enterprise clients. You're sitting down virtually with their decision makers for business reviews. You're learning their mailing operations inside and out, finding inefficiencies and presenting UPS solutions that save them money and improve their process. So you're also actively looking for opportunities to expand what UPS is doing within existing accounts. Now, turning a good relationship into a great one and a great one into an even bigger contract. You're managing your pipeline in Salesforce, keeping your forecasting updates sharp. Writing custom proposals, leading solution presentations, and working cross-functionality across UPS to make sure your client experience is seamless. This is a high volume, high-level relationship management and strategic selling opportunity, not cold calls all day. This is the kind of sales role where your intelligence and relationship building skills are the product. Now, this is going to be perfect for someone who has at least 3 years of experience in strategic sales, account management, or logistics. If you manage enterprise accounts, presented to C-suite or senior leadership, or work in direct mail, e-commerce, fulfillment, or supply chain, then UPS wants your resume in their inbox today. A bachelor's degree in business, marketing, or logistics is preferred, but your track record of results is what really counts here. You can stand out by your knowledge of USPS regulations, direct mail logistics, or key e-commerce fulfillment is specifically listed as preferred. If you have any of that background, it needs to be first thing they read on your resume. Don't hide it in the middle. And Salesforce proficiency as well. They need it daily, so make sure that's visible and clear. Show them you can walk in and start managing accounts from day one. Now, UPS didn't publish a specific salary range for this position, which in the sales world usually means is competitive and tied to your experience and performance. Strategic account managers at UPS at this level typically earn strong six-figure total compensation when you factor in base salary plus incentives and bonuses. So this is a career-defining role at one of the most recognized companies in the world. And that is all 4 jobs for today. And what a lineup it was, from mental health to FedEx to insurance commission to UPS. We really did that today when I tell you we did that. Now, all 4 apply links are sitting in the description right below this video. Go grab them now before you watch the next video, before you scroll, before you do anything else. These postings move fast and you do not want to miss your window. If this video helped you out, and I know it did, please hit that like button. It takes you 1 second and it helps me reach more people who basically are looking for grinding jobs like you are and looking for real remote opportunities. Subscribe and turn on your notifications. I drop new remote job roundups on a regular, and you absolutely do not want to miss the next one. And drop a comment below. Which one of these 4 are you going to go for? Or tell me what kind of video you are looking for next as far as in the remote world. And your dream job might show up on my next video. I read every single comment and I love hearing from you all. See you in the next one. Stay focused, stay consistent, keep applying, and let's get you working from home real soon. Let's go get it.